Hi and welcome to Add More Zest, and my name's Rebecca, and I've got a few items to share with you today from CooDeals.com. 3 different paintings that I had a browse and selected. So we'll start with the smaller one because it's a little bit easier to fight with stuff on my desk if I start small. So this one is a 30 by 30. I nearly said 30 by 40 then, but it's not. It's a 30 by 30 diamond painting. And if I get hold of my tape measure, this one is in square. So this one is a square diamond painting. I thought it was, but I had to check. It is 25 centimetres by 25 for the actual drill area. These gorgeous little butterflies on a nice sort of, what's the word? A bit like a watercolour-y type background. It's not watercolour, but you might get the idea, which basically means you're not doing a load of block work. You still have all the same sort of colours in the fact that you can tip a nice amount into your tray, but you're not going to get bored doing big blocks of colour. It has 25 different colours. It does come with DMC numbers. CooDeals send the nice white tray in with their toolkits, and you do get an inventory sheet for this one. By the looks of it, this one's got a little bit wet, but you do get all your symbols, your diamonds, how many you need and how much that weighs. And as you may know from my previous videos, they now put them in baggies, which is so much nicer than cutting all those individual 200 packets. But these are your nice colourways. So you've got some absolutely gorgeous blues in with your beiges and browns for the background. So that is painting number 1. I will of course link all of these down below. What's the next size? Oh, they're both the same size. I think they're just different orientations, these. So this one's a round painting. What you may also notice, just get rid of the little polystyrene bits, because they do pop some bits of polystyrene in the packet to make the paintings, to make the package nice. We have round symbols on this one because this is round, whereas the symbols on this one were square. So for this one, and they do use numbers and letters primarily. If they have too many, then they will go to symbols. So we have got a diamond, a hashtag, an ampersand and a question mark on this one because they've run through the letters already, but they don't duplicate some. So they don't put in the number 9 because you've got the number 6. They don't put in the letter B because you've got the number 8. So that's something to bear in mind with them. With this one, we've got the toolkit. This is the image. Isn't she beautiful? Gorgeous for this one. So this is a 40 by 50, but the actual diamond painting area is 35 by 45. So you have 5 centimetres or 2.5 centimetres each side for your border. You do get a little bit more wax with this one, with this toolkit compared to this one, just because it is a bigger diamond painting. If you like to use your wax, and look at those colours. Oh, they're gorgeous. I love it when colours end up very close to each other in the packet that just are gorgeous together. It just makes you look at them a little bit differently. But we've got some lovely yellows, blues, of course these gorgeous pinks and purples in there as well for the background. And then we do have some nice greens, orange, and this off colour 3866, not 3865, it's more of a beigey colour. So gorgeous colours in this one. Symbols are really nice and clear, and they're really nice on that dress. How nice is that going to be to diamond paint? I kind of feel like I'd want to diamond paint that in this sort of section and just do them going up. But yes, we have a gorgeous girl looking over a lake. And then, and say we do get the inventory sheet with that one. And then last but by no means least, this is another 40 by 50. And this one is a landscape. But in this one, you have 3 iconic buildings. So we have the Elizabethan Tower for London, the Eiffel Tower, brain went, for Paris, and the Leaning Tower of Pisa. This one has 28 colours. So this is all numbers and letters apart from a diamond. We just have the one other shape for this. This too is probably the same size. Yes, 45 by 35. This one is also a round. But again, your background is a nice mixture of different symbols, and then you get even more so in the actual buildings. And there are your gorgeous colours, nice natural colours, though we do have a little bit of red. Where's that little bit of red? Is that 919? That might actually be 919, I think. Oh, just little bits in, mainly in the Eiffel Tower, the little bit in the Pisa. I can't see any in the Elizabethan Tower. But Big Ben sits in there. But yeah, we have gorgeous colours in that one. Some dark browns as well, but I love a nice muted one. There's even a little pale blue in there as well to give us a nice skyline. Let me get my little bits out of the way so that I can show off the pictures themselves, but I will pop links to each of these down below. They of course have many more to choose from, and I'm always impressed with the way that CooDeals comes packaged to me. I do tend to get a couple of months worth of unboxings at once, but they do wrap all the diamond paintings in bubble wrap. And because I've got some that are different heights to others, so I've got some smaller ones, of course, widthwise, and some larger ones, they tend to use pieces of polystyrene or something to sit these smaller ones on so that they hit the same length before they then put it all into a mailing bag. So I'm always impressed with how they come packaged. And now the fact that they are diamonds in baggies, even better. Even better when it comes to kitting up. But yeah, I'll pop the links down to these below. Thank you so much to CooDeals for sending me these so that I can share them with you all. And I will speak to you all again soon.